In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off mute all sounds on your Samsung device. Many Samsung phone users often encounter the issue of all sounds being muted, which can be frustrating. But don't worry, I have a simple solution for you. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Accessibility. After that, tap Hearing Enhancements. Now you'll see the Mute All Sounds option. Just tap on it. To turn off Mute All Sounds option on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch over here. After turning off the Mute All Sounds option, you should now be able to hear notifications, alarms, and other sounds on your Samsung device as usual. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.